What's up, guys, and welcome back to Tech Plant. Today I have something I'm super excited about. I've probably looked for these things for about 4 months now, and I finally found one. So let me show you what it is. A Monstera Deliciosa. I finally found one in the stores, and just like many other, because I think they're like shipping them nationwide, because it seems like everyone on Facebook is getting one of these. But either way, super excited to have my own. I'm going to be doing some videos on how to take care of this thing, how to cut it up. Because I don't know if you can tell. I gotta watch out for the ceiling fan. We could lose our Monstera in one video. But anyways, there's tons of plants in here, and this definitely could be cut up and put into multiple plants instead of having one gnarly bush. But anyways, I picked up a whole bunch of other cool plants, so let's check them out. Alright, so this first one is actually going to be a tech plant first, and this is a fruit tree. So this is a small banana tree, and they call it a dwarf banana tree. Its actual cultivar name is a Cavendish banana tree, I guess. And they're known for growing much shorter than most, but they still produce normal sized bananas. When I found this one at the store, there was a bunch of other varieties of fruit plants, but I thought this would be the most interesting to try and grow indoors. So we'll see if I can produce enough light for this bad boy. I'm pretty sure it's going to have absolutely huge leaves, so it might be kind of troublesome, but we'll have to find out. Someone on the last video said I should get as many plants as I can to turn this place into a jungle, and I think if this banana plant does get big, or banana tree, we'll actually have a jungle in here. This next one has also been a plant that's on my list. I really do like ferns, and this one is also a fern. It is called a Maidens Hair Fern. I really like the very thin black stems with the green outcroppings on them, and I think it's super beautiful. This one has a little bit of damage to it. It looks like they didn't take care of it very well, but I bet you I can nurse it back to health and we can have a nice beautiful fern. So hopefully I can continue to do that. I'm probably going to repot it because it's in an absolutely tiny pot, but I think with some tender loving care we can get it to be really nice. I would love to see this thing like very large and at full maturation, because like I said, the black stems are absolutely beautiful. They're just so thin and perfect, and then they have these nice little green fins on them, and I just really like the look. This next spaghetti looking crazy like tangled mess is actually a Purple Oxalis. I did show this one in one of my previous videos and how to kind of make it look nicer. During St. Patrick's Day, these were super popular, and every store was selling this and the green variety. So I knew if I waited a little while, the store would actually end up killing them and then put them in the please help us, we're dying section. So I got this one for 94 cents because it was, I guess, kind of half dead and they were done with them. So anyways, it's always a good steal when you can get something for under $1, and I'm pretty confident I can nurse this one back to health. I really like this plant though because they're very animated. Every day and night they open and close, so you can really see a lot of motion in this plant, and it's a very dynamic plant to own. So I definitely recommend this plant to anybody else, but hopefully I can bring it back to life. This next plant is called a Philodendron Corda, or also known as a heartleaf philodendron. I can hardly pronounce it, I'm sorry. But anyways, I picked this one up for about $1.99. I kind of like these vining plants because they're easy and fun to propagate. And it's kind of a part of my greater plan to propagate a whole bunch of plants so I can give them away. I think it's a really good idea to just give plants away and help other people get a hold of them. So I've got quite a bit of vining plants I can start propagating. But anyways, it's just a cool little green vining plant, and it's just another one to add to my collection. Hopefully I can get this one growing pretty long and start making some cuttings. My goal with this channel is to have some sort of like monthly giveaway, except for I'm gonna have to figure out a way to get cheaper shipping because it's really hard to be shipping plants for like $7 a pop. Alright, and finally the star of the show, or I guess I shouldn't say the star of the show. I like all my plants equally, but I've really been trying to get a hold of one of these. This is a Monstera Deliciosa, and this is such an awesome plant. I know it's kind of a super trendy plant and everyone and their mother has one, but I wanted to be one of those people. I guess not to be on the bandwagon, but it is a really cool plant. I mean, the way its leaves get absolutely large and with the very intricate and unique holes that appear in the leaves, it's just a really cool plant to have in your collection. I've been looking for these for a long time, going to plant stores, sometimes 3 of them every weekend, trying to wait for somebody to get them in stock, and finally someone did. So I finally have one in my house, and it's actually quite bushy and quite robust. I bet you there's at least 4 separate vines or plants in this pot, and I'm going to try and cut them all apart and break them out so I can have 4 separate plants. I don't want to have one giant bushy gangly thing. As you can see also, it has new leaves forming all over the place, so I'm super excited about that. I've actually never seen one unfurl in person, so I'm looking forward to that. It already does have one brand new leaf, which looks fabulous. I love how the new leaves are slightly different colors, so they really stand out. And I think it's mature enough now where all the new leaves will have all the nice side holes, so it's actually pretty awesome. This has definitely been the most plants that I've purchased in one time, which is pretty kind of ridiculous only because I'm running out of room in my room. But like most plant people, I can't quite stop buying these things. I'm absolutely, I guess, hooked on them. So I need to get a house pretty soon here. Otherwise, I don't know what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to start sleeping with these things pretty soon. Alright guys, that pretty much sums up this plant haul. I hope you, plant haul. That kind of sounds weird after a while. But anyways, I hope you liked it. Maybe you want to see more. Let me know in the comments. I know these videos are, well, I shouldn't say they're popular. I like watching other people's plant haul videos just to see what they all got. Everyone seems to have like hundreds and hundreds of plants. I would like to get there one day. I think I probably have like 50 or so, but one day I'll be one of those like 200-300 plant people. Anyways, hope you like that. Hope you're as excited for me as I am for all these cool plants, especially that Monstera. Super cool. And the banana tree. That's so weird. I can't wait to see if that thing can actually grow, especially if I can somehow keep that thing in here and have bananas grow in my room. That'd be ridiculous. So anyways, hopefully you guys stay tuned for that and keep watching my videos, because I'll keep updating you on the banana tree for sure. And as always, may your plants grow strong and healthy. I will see you next time.